The DF025 code in diesel Renault vehicles means that the preheating system has problems and may not work at all or partially. The preheating system consists of the control unit, glow plugs, wires connecting them, and also the fuse, which is very often forgotten about. And while in most cases the problem is actually with one of the glow plugs building up resistance, sometimes the fuse is the culprit. This is the preheating unit fuse, and for example in the 2015 Megane is located in the second fuse box under the bonnet, and it's the 70 amp fuse. I would start any diagnostics with the DF025 code with this fuse, since it's the easiest and the cheapest repair. Then before you buy new glow plugs, it makes sense to take a multimeter, disconnect the plugs, and measure the resistance between the end of a plug and the engine ground. So basically any metal point on your engine. If you get anything more than 2 ohms, the plug is not in good condition and needs to be replaced. If you've never replaced the glow plugs, please stay away from this job and find a mechanic who will do this for you. Renault plugs love to fall apart when you try to unscrew them, and this leads to very unpleasant and expensive repairs. If the fuse is good and the plugs all read less than 2 ohms of resistance, the problem is most likely with the wiring. I've seen issues with the connectors on the glow plugs in 1.5 diesel engines more than once. In this case, the wires and connectors will have to be replaced. But if the problem is in the preheating module, wiring or connector, you will need some professional help, since locating and fixing this problem is not easy at all.